back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, we're going to be doing something intense, something crazy, and definitely something to change up for the new year of 2020. Now, it has been about 6 months since I've done a major trim on the beard, the chest, the back, so I thought it would be fun. I haven't done a video in about 2 weeks, and on top of that, I haven't been consistent, so I thought I'd get back to you. We're gonna do a super long, probably about a 20-minute video of just cleaning up the chest, the back. We're gonna trim up the beard. We're gonna get it down as short as possible, so that's gonna be the surprise as well. So once again, sit back, relax. We're gonna have some fun times. We'll do a little time lapse. So let's get this thing rocking. Now, what we're gonna do is just to give you guys a game plan. I usually start with the top on the beard and we work our way down. This time, actually, we're gonna go being on the bottom. We're gonna go wax first. We're gonna be using Gigi's Azuline wax. And for me, this is the Soothe and Condition wax because I've got the sensitive skin, all right? So we're gonna be applying that first. We're gonna go stomach all the way up to the chest, up to the neck. We're gonna trim all that off and then we'll work our way up. But we're just gonna cut, trim, wax, fade. We're gonna do it all in this video, all right? So stay tuned, sit back, relax. Here we go. All right, now that I'm cleaned up, I just wanted to get everything ready for the summer, the spring. You know, we're getting ready for the warmer temps. And for you guys that know, I got me this nice big beard here. I do this probably every 6 months, but we need to clean it up. We need to trim it up. The mustache, it's reached its pinnacle. And I'm ready to start anew, and I want to clean up my beard and my mustache. So let's clean it up and let's start trimming off a good amount of hair. Now, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably going to go on a 9, how short we're going to go. How crazy that sounds, but... Now, for you guys that want to start rounding out their beard, here's a really good spot to think about. So for me, I was actually growing this out to a nice big distance and then squaring it off. But if you want a more rounder shape, I'm clamping up here and then we're bringing it down and I'm going very high on my neckline. Here's a good stopping point. This is a good place to think about where you're gonna go. Now, my mustache is pretty crazy right now, so I really want to bring that back too as well. So let's work on both at the same time. Or should I trim it up? I don't know. We'll keep at it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my mustache. We're still gonna go a little slow, and we're probably gonna cut this a little shorter as well, but let's keep going. All right, had to throw on the spectacles. I wanted to see because I think we're gonna go pretty short, you guys. Ready for that summer look. So now that we're here, I want to bring the Hangman's Noose into play. We're gonna trim up all of the under neck portion of the beard. We're gonna clean up all this neck fur here. So let's bring out the straight blade and let's start trimming away. And that's about it. Now I started off with a new razor, so my neck is going to be in full razor burn mode. And that's because I haven't shaved my neck in probably 6 months. I've got a new razor. It's just gonna burn. Now the last two things I wanna focus on are gonna be the cheeks and the mustache. So we'll go ahead and line those up, and then we'll go ahead and trim down the mustache, and we should have a nice sharp look. Here we go. Now on this one right here, I'm gonna be just kind of angling it right to the sideburn, right into the stash. So really no initial curve, I just wanna create an angle. I wanna create right here into the divot, make a line. And that's usually what I like to go for. That way we know where the line is on the beard. And same thing with the other side. Now everything is looking exactly how I want. As you can see, we're having a nice good fade going into the sideburns, which we still need to finish up, which is one of the last things that I need to clean up. And one of the final things too is that it is the mustache area that we need to complete. Also, there are some flyaways, and we'll finish off with that here at the end. So let's go ahead and pull out our clippers one last time. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it where it's at, maybe a little bit shorter. I'm at like a 10 right now, which could be about a 1/2 inch or an inch. Maybe about a 1/2 inch. And I just want to blend my sideburns right into my hair, which is pretty long. It's not too short. Now that we've faded everything into each other, the last thing I want to do is get any of the flyaways from the bottom of my jaw, my neck, or even my cheek. So I'll go ahead and put it probably at another 13 or maybe about a 14. And we'll just go over and find any loose hairs that we can. We'll just clean everything up, and we'll finish it up by combing everything in, and then we'll go ahead and trim down the mustache. And lastly, to finish everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and put this to probably about I was gonna say 6, but yeah, let's do a 6. And we're just gonna go ahead and start trimming this down. This is one I want to get as short as I can. And that's pretty much it. Got a nice cleaned up look. Everything's nice and short as it should be. So now we're on our way to another year of the journey of the beard. So another 6 months, we'll grow it out. It's just the process that we go through. But we've got a nice line. We've got nice angles and fades going on. Everything turned out great. We got the wax that went great with the chest. So we're all cleaned up for at least a month or two. But like I say, I like to do this at least every 6 months or so, just to clean everything up, get nice, fresh, new for the year. So for that being said, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be doing a little bit of a motivational, goal-oriented speech there. So make sure to go over and check out that video. Other than that, hope you guys are having a great day and a new year. Like always, you guys like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!